Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Unlinked Alternative App Store to your Fire Stick, as well as the best code to use there. The whole process will be pretty easy, and it's gonna take you just a couple of moments. And the very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. To do so, we need to go to Search on the device, and now start typing Downloader right here in a search bar. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on Downloader, and now here is that orange application, which you need to get to your device. But then after you've gotten Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. So we do that together. Open the settings right here, go into My Fire TV, then you have to open the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might actually be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then head to the installation of unknown apps, and from here just locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we head back to the list of apps on your device, and there is the Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they've got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back into a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's finally open it up. Now here at the top, open the search bar, and here we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it is unlinked.link. Here we go, just enter it as you see on the screen. So once again, it is unlinked.link. Then click next, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then this web page is going to open up. You have to scroll down just a little bit and click on Download Android APK. And the download of Unlinked will start now. Now let me move my camera a bit below so you would see that installation button right here. Click on Install and just give it a moment for the installation to finish. After that, don't click Open yet. Instead, it's better to press Done, because this way we get an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your device. And it's not over yet. After that, we actually have to go to the settings one more time. So let's go to the settings. Here we are. Open them. Then again, go to My Fire TV. Head to the developer options that we have turned on previously. And then again, go to installation of unknown apps. But this time we are looking for Unlinked. And we have to turn this option on because we'll be using Unlinked to get other apps for you from the internet. And then we are heading back to a list of apps on your device, and there's Unlinked, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your game mode. Let's hold it down, and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and this way we'll put Unlinked to the very beginning of your application list. That way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Of course, once again, make sure not to forget to keep your VPN connected. Once again, it's important to stay safe and out of trouble online. And if you don't have a VPN yet, then just use my link below this video or in the pinned comment to get 3 months of Nord free of charge. Then let's go and open up the Unlinked application. So we open it on your device. From here, click on Add a new library. Just like that, and then you'll see such a keyboard. And then we need to enter a code, which is going to be Firestick as a word. That's right, so just enter Firestick in here, just like I see on my screen. Click on Next. And now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurred. And so, in here you'll find all kinds of applications, all kinds of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, and so on. So there is lots of useful apps that you will find pretty nice, at least I hope so. So once again, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button below this video. It actually helps me quite a lot. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.